Hey guys, in this video we will see that how through different methods we can write date and time in Excel. Suppose if we want to write the date of today, so the syntax that we use is that equal to today and we'll press enter. So the date of today will occur over here. Suppose with date we also want the time of today, so for that we will use the now function, that is now. The syntax that we use is that equal to now, and as soon as we are going to press enter, we find that with date time will also occur. Now in a given cell, suppose that this particular value is given, it's very hard to distinguish between the date and the month from this particular value. So in order to separate them we will use the day function, the month function and the year function. So let's separate the first of all day from this. So we will use the day function from here. Now the argument that we have to give is the serial number, that is the value over here which lies in the cell C4, and when we press enter the value appears to be 3. For the month we will write over here equal to month, then we'll select the cell C5 and we'll press enter. So the value that will appear here is that 4. Similarly for year, if we want to separate the year from this data, we will write equal to year and we'll select the cell C6. So the year is also separated, that is 2019. Now suppose that in different cells we have the day, month and year, and we want to combine them to form the date of today or whatever the date that can be formed through them. So for this we will use the date function. We will start it with writing equal to date, then first we will select the year, that is 2019, then we will select the month, that is the 4th month, then the day, that is the 3rd day, and we will close the bracket and we'll press enter. So the date will be written over here. Now suppose that from today we want a date that is 5 days ahead of it, or even if we want to subtract a date from today, we will simply have to add the number of days that we want to add or subtract from the given date. For an example, in this particular value, if we want to add 5 days from today, so what we will do, we will first select this cell, we'll then add 5 to it and we'll press enter. So 5 will get added to it. Similarly, if for month, if we want to do it, we will use the syntax as edate. Then the first argument that occurs is the start date, that is of today, which lies in the cell C11. The second thing is that the month that we want to add to it. So the month that we want to add to it is 5 month, and then we will press enter. So here the 5 months gets added to it. Now if we want to add 5 years to it, so what we will do, we will start it again with equal to edate. Then first of all we will select the start date, that is 03/04/2019, and then we have to convert this year into month. So we will multiply 5 with 12 and then we'll close the bracket and press enter. So 5 years gets added to it. So that's how you add date and manipulate it in Excel. That was all from this video. I hope so that you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.